Kung minsan hindi ikaw ang dapat magsalita, kundi yung kwento ng mga clients mo. Most sellers push. Top sellers prove using real client stories. Here's the secret. Client stories equals borrowed credibility. Ibig sabihin, hindi ikaw ang nagyayabang. Mismo mga clients mo ang nagtatanggol sa'yo. And the most powerful way to use them, use transformation snippets. Maikling kwento na nagpapakita ng before and after. Example, instead of saying, "Sir, effective po talaga service namin." Tell a transformation snippet, "Sir, si Ma'am Liza, dati lagi stress kasi delayed lagi yung processing. Pero after namin siya i-handle, sabi niya, hindi ko in-expect na ganito kabilis." Simple, short, but full of impact. Tip, use this formula. Client, struggle, shift, reaction. Sino yung client? Ano issue niya? Ano ginawa mo? Ano sinabi niya pagkatapos? Once you master this, your clients don't just believe you. They feel the wins of your past clients. And when they feel it, they want the same result. Facts inform. Client stories transform. And transformations close the sale.